back to Jolie's Castle. Today we're gonna read. It's a really funny story, and watch this. This is what the whole front looks like, and this is by Willems. This book is actually pretty long, so probably you don't want to get this book, but I have it from my school because Miss McMahon, she's my teacher from there, and yeah, can we just read? Pigs make me sneeze. Okay. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do today? I want yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop sneezing. Choo! Sneezing. Uh-oh. These two are the main character. What if pigs make me sneeze? Choo! He have a code. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends again. Then we must be apart forever.
He's sad.
Yeah, he's crying. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Piggy is also my friend.
What kind of friend?
It's a pig.
My best friend.
Best friend. Choo! Look, great now. Cats make me sneeze. Choo? Thud. I do not think that pigs make you sneeze. I do not think that cats make you sneeze. He's a cat. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I you, doctor. Piggy, piggy. Great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. That's the whole book, and it says this on the back. Is it upside down? Good night. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to my channel.